Hey everyone! Prime Day is here, and I just found 22 survival and camping gear deals that are honestly too good to skip. Stick around because we're counting down from 22 all the way to number 1, the best deal on this entire list. All links and prices are in the video description. Prices subject to change. Check Amazon for current availability. Number 22. NedFoss Pocket Folding Knife DA75. You know that moment on a camping trip when you need a knife, a seatbelt cutter, and a glass breaker, but you only packed one thing? The NedFoss DA75 has all three built right in. It's got an HCR14 mauve blade, a solid G10, and aluminum handle, and a pocket clip so it's always on you. Normally $30, you're grabbing it today for just $25. That's 15% off. It's a super practical first aid and emergency tool, and it makes a great gift too. Number 21. JUNDUN Fireproof Document Bags. Imagine losing your passport, cash, or important documents in a fire or flood. Not fun to think about, but easy to prevent. This JUNDUN bag has an aluminum foil lining that can handle temperatures up to 4,200 FF, plus a fully waterproof zipper seal. It's built different from cheaper nylon bags that just melt. This thing is the real deal. Down from $14 to just $11, that's a 15% saving on some serious peace of mind. Grab one for your go bag or your home safe drawer. Number 20. Twinkle Star Emergency Roadside Flares. Breaking down on the side of the road at night is scary, and being invisible to traffic makes it way worse. These LED flares from Twinkle Star can be seen from a mile away, and they come with 3 flash modes including SOS. The magnetic base sticks right to your car, and they come in a solid storage case that fits easily in your trunk. You get a set of 2 for just $16, down from $20. That's 19% off. Keep a set in every vehicle you own. Number 19. HX Outdoors Multifunctional Splitting Axe. Chopping firewood with a weak hatchet is one of the most frustrating things at a campsite. The HX Outdoors axe has a 5CR15 MOV steel blade, a nail puller, a hammerhead, and a full 12.8-inch full-tang build that won't flex under hard use. The G10 handle is grippy and shock-resistant, and it comes with a tough Kydex sheath for safe carry. This dropped from $90 down to $76, still a premium tool, but at 15% off it's way easier to justify. If you chop a lot of firewood, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Number 18. Odoland Portable LED Lantern with Ceiling Fan. Hot summer nights in a tent are rough. Sweating all night is a miserable camping experience. This Odoland lantern has 18 LED bulbs and a built-in ceiling fan with 2 speed settings, all in one collapsible unit. The fan runs up to 15 hours on low, and the light lasts up to 37 hours, all on just 2D batteries. Down from $25 to $16, that's a 35% discount, one of the steeper drops on this list. Perfect for car camping or any setup where you want a cool lit tent. Number 17. Aquatabs 49 mg Water Purification Tablets. Being stuck without clean water on a hike is one of those situations you never want to be in. Aquatabs are the world's #1 water purification tablet. One tablet treats up to 2 liters and kills 99.9% of bacteria in just 30 minutes. They're EPA registered, NSF certified, and they don't leave that gross iodine taste behind. A 30-pack drops from $12 to just $9. That's 20% off for something that could literally save your life. Toss a few packs in every bag you own. Number 16. RHINO Rescue Vented Chest Seal. RHINO Rescue Vented Chest Seal. If you spend serious time outdoors away from help, having basic trauma gear in your kit is just smart. This RHINO Rescue Vented Chest Seal has 4 vents to manage air pressure in penetrating chest injuries, and the advanced adhesive sticks even on sweaty or hairy skin. It comes in a small 6x4-inch pack that slips right into a first aid bag, and the transparent backing lets you monitor the wound. 2 sterile seals for $12, down from $15. That's 15% off professional-grade emergency kit. Pair it with your first aid bag and hope you never need it. Number 15. OLIGHT Batten 4 Premium Edition Flashlight. Ever been fumbling around a dark campsite because your cheap flashlight died? The OLIGHT Batten 4 hits 1300 lumens, throws light up to 170 meters, and has 6 brightness modes including a near-invisible moonlight mode. It recharges via USB-C and comes with a charging case that stores up to 190 days of extra runtime. This is a $95 light on sale for $66, that's 30% off a seriously premium flashlight. If you want the best EDC light on this list, this is it. Number 14. Tiny Pocket Survival Guide. There's nothing worse than being in a tricky outdoor situation and not knowing what to do next. This credit card-sized survival guide folds out to cover 67 essential skills and 175 expert tips from first aid to shelter building to water sourcing. It's waterproof on the outside, lightweight, and even includes a magnifying lens. From $10 down to $7, that's 20% off for something that fits in your wallet and could make a real difference. Genuinely one of the best stocking stuffers on this list. Number 13. BATTLBOX Skachet Axe Head Skinner. Hammer. If you want to go super lightweight and build your own tools from nature, this one's for you. The BATTLBOX Skachet is a 5-in-1 carbon steel head hatchet, skinner, hammer, ripper, and gut hook with no handle, so you can fashion one yourself from any branch. It's built from tough 65 Mn carbon steel that holds its edge through serious use and comes with a genuine leather sheath and belt loop. Down from $80 to $63, 20% off a really unique piece of bushcraft gear. If you love primitive outdoor skills, this one's a conversation starter. Number 12. REXBETI Folding Saw. Processing firewood or cutting branches by hand without the right saw turns a 5-minute job into a 30-minute struggle. The REXBETI Folding Saw has an 11-inch SK5 steel blade with aggressive 7 TPI teeth that chew through branches up to 6 to 7 inches thick. It folds up compact for your pack and has a rubber-coated handle that stays grippy even when wet. Down from $19 to $14, a solid 24% off. This is an easy yes for any camper who processes their own firewood. Number 11. NITIGO 70L Hiking Backpack. Trying to pack for a multi-day trip with a bag that's too small or too heavy is a nightmare. NITIGO 70L pack weighs just 1 kg, has breathable mesh back padding, ergonomic shoulder straps, a waist belt, and tons of compartments to keep everything organized. Compression straps, a whistle buckle, and hanging loops for your sleeping bag and tent poles make it a full-featured setup. Down from $55 to $43, that's 20% off for a lightweight, capable 70-liter pack. Great option if you need a lot of space without a lot of weight. Number 10. DIBBATU Disposable Urine Bags. 12-24 pack. Long drives, remote trails, or early morning wake-ups in the tent? Sometimes nature calls, and there's nowhere to go. These unisex 800 ml urine bags convert liquid to gel in 45 seconds, seal tight, and fold down to the size of a phone. They're individually packaged, biodegradable friendly, and work for men and women. From $12 down to $10, you get a pack of 12 or 24 at 15% off. Honestly, an underrated bag essential. You'll be glad you have one. Number 9. WUBEN X4 Flat EDC Flashlight. Standard round flashlights roll off tables and surfaces constantly. It's one of those small annoyances that adds up fast. The WUBEN X4 is flat, has a magnetic tail fin, a pocket clip, and hits 1500 lumens with a 205-meter throw. It also has a built-in RGB sidelight, stepless dimming via a rotary switch, and charges via USB-C. Down from $50 to $38, that's 22% off a really innovative and pocketable flashlight. A super cool upgrade from a standard EDC torch. Number 8. AOFAR Fire Starter 2-pack. Nothing kills camping vibes faster than not being able to start a fire, especially in wet or windy conditions. The AOFAR Fire Steel works in rain, snow, and high altitude, and comes with a paracord handle, a compass, and an emergency whistle all in one. You get 2 fire starters in the box, and each one is good for thousands of strikes. Just $8 down from $10 for 2 reliable fire starters with built-in survival tools. Toss one in every bag and keep a spare at home. Number 7. NITIGO Emergency Weather Radio. If a storm rolls in while you're camping and you have no way to get weather alerts, that's a dangerous situation. The NITIGO radio picks up NOAA weather alerts, AM/FM, has a 4000 mAh battery, and can be charged by solar panel, hand crank, or USB. It also has an LED flashlight, a reading lamp, and a loud SOS alarm for emergencies. From $33 down to $24, that's 25% off an essential piece of emergency preparedness gear. This one belongs in your home kit and your camping kit. Number 6. Anti-Fog Safety Goggles. 6-pack. Whether you're chopping wood, doing campsite prep, or working on gear, eye protection is something most campers just skip until something flies up. These OXG goggles meet ANSI Z87.1 standards, have double-layer anti-fog coating, and wrap around for full eye coverage. You get 6 pairs for $18, down from $23. That's 18% off. Keep a pair in your camp kit, your car, and your garage and still have spares. Number 5. Wilderness Survival Compass. Getting turned around in the backcountry when your phone dies is a genuinely scary moment. Don't be that person. This military-grade lensatic compass has a luminous dial for low-light reading, a sighting hairline, rotating bezel ring, and waterproof housing that works in rain and rivers. It comes with a canvas pouch and lanyard, and even supports tripod mounting for precise navigation. Down from $40 to $31, 20% off a reliable, purpose-built navigation tool. If you hike in areas with spotty signals, this is non-negotiable. Number 4. RoverTac 18-in-1 Multitool. How many times have you been at camp wishing you had just one more tool? A saw, a screwdriver, a bottle opener. The RoverTac packs 18 tools into one stainless steel body. Pliers, a folding blade, saw, corkscrew, wire cutter, detachable scissors, and 9 screwdriver bits. From $27 down to $22, that's 15% off the most versatile tool on this list. A no-brainer addition to any camp kit or go bag. Number 3. BigOtters 200-pack compressed towels. Running out of clean towels or wipes on a camping trip is a small discomfort that snowballs into a big annoyance fast. These coin-sized cotton tablets expand to a full 8.7 by 7-inch towel with just a splash of water, no chemicals, no fragrance, totally gentle on skin. You get 200 of them for $11, down from $22. That's a massive 45% off. They work as face towels, wipes, dishcloths, and even dry tinder for fire starting. This is the biggest percentage discount on the list. Don't sleep on it. Number 2. Sinvimes LED Rechargeable Headlamp. Fumbling around a dark campsite or trail with a dim headlamp that dies after 2 hours is one of the most annoying things in outdoor life. The Sinvimes headlamp runs on an XHP 70.8 chip delivering up to 99,000 lux, throws light up to 5,500 feet, and runs up to 95 hours on battery-saving mode. It's IPX7 waterproof, has a 125° adjustable angle, USB-C fast charging, and even doubles as a power bank. Down from $30 to $25 and backed by a 10-year replacement warranty. This is an absolute beast of a headlamp at a price that's hard to argue with. Number 1. MicroMend Emergency Wound Closure Kit. Okay, the number 1 spot goes to the one item on this list that could genuinely make the difference in a real emergency. Deep cuts happen outdoors, and getting to a hospital isn't always an option. MicroMend uses patented micro-staple technology to close serious lacerations right on the spot, no stitches, no medical training needed, and it holds for up to 7 days even through moisture and movement. Clinical studies actually show it outperforms stitches in healing and scarring. Down from $45 to $35, 20% off 6 sterile closure strips that could save a trip to the ER. This is the one item I'd put in every first aid kit, every go bag, and every glove box. It earns the number 1 spot. Alright guys, that's all 22 deals for Prime Day 2026. Remember, these prices won't last. Prime Day deals disappear fast, so check the links in the description below and grab what you need right now. If this video helped you find something awesome, smash that like button, subscribe to Voltrix Gadgets so you never miss a deal, and drop a comment telling me which item you're grabbing first. See you in the next one.